In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy dice or sticker bundles from the Scopely web shop. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device and go to the official Scopely web shop at store.scopely.com. It's important to use the official website so you can make sure you're accessing the correct store and using a secure checkout page. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a few seconds, especially if you're on mobile or using a slower connection. Once you're on the site, the next step is to log in. You can sign in using your player ID or a linked account, depending on how your game profile is connected. Take your time here and make sure you choose the login option that matches the account you actually use in the game. This helps ensure that anything you purchase is delivered to the correct profile. If you're not sure which account is linked, pause for a moment and double check before continuing. That can help avoid confusion later. After you're signed in, browse through the available offers and select the dice or sticker bundle you want. The webshop may display different packages, promotions, or limited time offers, so it's a good idea to look carefully before choosing. Pay attention to what's included in each bundle so you know exactly what you're getting. If you're comparing multiple options, a quick review of the bundle details can help you decide which one best matches what you need in the game. When you found the bundle you want, continue to the checkout page and complete the secure checkout process. Review your order before confirming the purchase, especially the selected bundle and the account you're logged into. Then follow the on-screen payment instructions to finish the transaction. Make sure you're using a secure and trusted payment methods and avoid refreshing the page while the payment is being processed. Once the checkout is complete, you should receive confirmation through the website and your purchase should be applied to your game account. If there's any delay, give it a little time and check the game again. In some cases, it may take a few minutes for the items to appear, and that's it. You've successfully purchased dice or sticker bundles from the Scopely web shop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.